A rare opportunity close to the beach, parks, trails, and with lake views. It's ready for you in Warrenton, Oregon. This charming custom home is ideally situated for enjoying the best of the Northern Oregon coast. The wide, covered front porch invites you to sit back and relax. Head inside and discover hardwood floors, abundant natural light, and a thoughtfully designed floor plan. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, quality finishes, tons of storage space, and peaceful views. It opens to the dining area and family room with large windows. Plus, a fully automatic natural gas generator powers the entire house. On the upper level, a privately located primary suite has an elegant full bath and a large walk-in closet. You'll find 2 more large bedrooms in this home of more than 1,700 square feet. The fully fenced backyard is ready for your barbecue, has a large garden shed, and a 24 by 26 foot detached shop with a roll-up door and loft, plus a 30-amp RV hookup. It's a short walk to the beach, deli, and picturesque lake. It's all here ready for you on Lewis Road in Warrenton. For more information or for your own personal tour, please contact Michael Davis with Premier Property Group at 503-440-2747.